Hello guys, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Fliki AI, the best free AI video generator. You can convert text to video. Creating video content is now super easy with the use of some AI tools. There are a lot of AI tools that can convert your prompt or text into video content in just a fraction of seconds. Video content is a very important part of communication nowadays. It allows businesses, content creators, and influencers to engage with their audience. However, creating high-quality videos can be a time-consuming and expensive process. This is where the Fliki AI video generator comes to the rescue. Fliki AI is an innovative AI video generator tool that transforms text-based content into amazing AI videos with AI voiceovers. With its advanced AI technology, extensive stock media library, and a wide range of customizable options, it empowers you to create professional quality videos with ease. Follow with me to see the steps on how to create a video using this AI tool. But before we do, let me tell you who should use Fliki AI video generator. YouTubers, influencers, content creators, generator, AI geeks, and bloggers, of course. Also, you can use the tool to make money like YouTube monetization, Instagram Reels, product promotion, online courses and tutorials, and affiliate marketing. Before getting into the process of creating text-based content into visually appealing videos, the first step is to create an account on Fliki AI. Visit the Fliki AI website and click on Start Creating button. You have multiple options for signing up. You can choose to sign up with Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or your email. After selecting your preferred sign-up method, follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once your sign-up is successful, you will be automatically logged in to your Fliki AI account. Let's start by converting text to video. Converting text to video with Fliki AI video generator is a simple and efficient process. Follow these steps to create a video from your script or text-based content. Step 1. Start by selecting the New File button on Fliki AI video generator's platform. Enter your desired file name, select video as the type, and click on Create button to initiate the video creation process. Step 2. Click on the default voice name next to the section to access the voice selection menu. Fliki AI offers a vast library of over 900 voices in more than 75 different languages. Choose the voice that best suits your video's tone and target audience. Step 3. Type or paste in your script text. Input your script or copy-paste your text content into the designated area. It will automatically format the content based on the new lines in your script. Additionally, it will suggest relevant media such as images and video clips based on the content of your video. You can either use suggested media or customize it further by browsing Fliki AI's extensive library or uploading your own media. Step 5. Fine-tune your video's appearance by clicking on Video Settings. Here, you can modify the video size, choose subtitles fonts, adjust their placement and color, select a background color, and set the display style. Step 5. Before finalizing your video, take advantage of the preview feature to see how it looks and sounds. Once satisfied with the results, click on Export to render the video. You can then download the finished video file and share it with your audience. Also, Fliki AI video generator makes it incredibly easy to convert your ideas into compelling videos. And here's how to do it. Step 1. Begin by selecting New File as we did in the previous process on Fliki AI. Enter a suitable file name and select video as the type and then hit Create to proceed. Step 2. Describe your idea for the video in few words. Select the language and desired type of the video. Finally, specify the length of the video if you want and click Submit. It will generate a script and automatically source visuals from its rich stock library. If necessary, you can edit the script, voice, visuals, and background music. Additionally, you have the flexibility to customize the video size, fonts, as we did on the first step. And of course, after reviewing the video preview and making any necessary adjustments, click on Export to initiate the video processing and download the final video file. Additionally, if you have written blog articles that you wish to transform into engaging videos, it will simplify the process. Follow these steps to convert your blog to a video. Step 1. Click on the New File button to create a new file and provide a name to it and select video as the type. Step 2. On the Fliki AI generator platform, click the Convert button and select Blog to Video. Paste the link to your blog article in the designated area, choose the desired length of the video, and click Submit. Step 3. Customize your video and make the flexibility to change the voice, visuals, and background music. Preview the video to ensure it aligns with your expectations. Once satisfied, click on Export to initiate the video processing and download it. Also, apart from converting text and blog articles to video, it can also convert PowerPoint to videos or convert tweets to videos. So, Fliki AI is the ultimate tool for turning your text into mesmerizing videos in mere minutes. Its user-friendly interface, extensive media library, and AI-driven features position it as a top text-to-video and text-to-speech solutions for 2024. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or anyone seeking professional-grade audio and video content, Fliki AI can work wonders for you. Give it a spin and elevate your content to the next level. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if this video helped you, and I will see you on the next one.